to the final part of this game. 9 lives, I literally forgot. And we, as usual, if you didn't see them, what are you doing? Check them out. The previous videos about this game. Everybody that did watch them knows that we just need to collect these 6 cats. And I'm pretty a professional gamer. Not really that, because I think I'm gonna do like a little bit mistakes, but we are going to complete this game. We are. We're literally like 1 million billion Amiga %. I'm really gonna do it. I'm just confident. I'm doing it now. Where's that professor on the... Okay, now we need to go to the left. Now, if you want that drink, you can go to the right. But I'm not sure you'll have enough. I think. Is that time? Because I don't really know. But never mind, it's just... You know, I very feel bad for these crickets. So we're just doing their show and we just broke it. I feel very bad for them. Run, little kitty. Bob. Mr. Bob. Run, Mr. Bob. Oh yeah. Now we're going... spikes. Well done, Mr. Cricket. You're not jumping in spikes. Okay, I think the other ones were jumping in the spikes before. I don't remember, but... Is he? I don't know. He literally jumped in the spikes. What the hell? Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Bill. Hello, dogs. You know, I thought dogs were killing cats before, but now cats kill dogs. That's really unfortunate. Yeet. Yeet. Bye-bye, owl. I didn't know cats were killing owls before, but owls are actually birds, so that doesn't make any sense. Hello? Hello, Mr. Doggy. I love you. I love you. Maybe I don't love you with those red eyes. Yeah. What if the spikes are gonna come up? Literally. Go. Hurry up. I don't care about these stupid animals. Crab. You know, poor crab. He was very cute. He's walking on the spikes. The dog is walking on the spikes. He's invincible. I have no idea how he's doing that. Dude, we need to go to the right. You're going to the left, and the left is opposite of right. And we don't need that. And that's a fact. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hello, Mr. Gary. Mr. Gary. Mr. Curry. There we go. He's not eatable. His name is just Curry. He's not Curry. Exactly. Yeah. So, are we supposed to do this again? Oh, holy hell. Okay, fine. I got this. No, not now. I'm not gonna do this now. Oh, this dog keeps on scaring me and I do the wrong jumps. There we go. Is there going to be another kitty? There is just going to be a poster of a kitty. well known. Okay, now we need to jump on this block. The blocks from this game really looks like Minecraft, and we got a key. You know these these stone blocks? They look very much these square blocks from here. I think Minecraft really copied it. Even though it was an old game. Can you shut up? I got a very important thing to do. Really. Yeet. Yeet. Spikes. You know, that would be cool if you could just destroy the spikes. Spikes, yeah. Yeah, I think the pipes really give you a clue, like at the end of the pipes and at the end of the stairs. So stuff really gives you clues, like at the end of that there is going to be spikes. Like when these devils no, there's no spikes where the devil eyes are. The devil windows. I don't know really what to call them, but they're very creepy. Let's go up. I don't care about bats, even though they look very cringe. I don't care. They look very actually happy. You know, if you actually look from the side a little bit, I think they got a little smiley face. Keep on saying nonsense. Oh, if only the spikes would kill us. Just get on here. Perhaps I thought I would do a little bit mistakes, but I'm not. And I feel proud of myself. Jumping on these Minecraft blocks. Very happy. Gold blocks and stuff. You know, I feel like this place is infinite. Like, if this is a house, why would they make it so big? Like, I don't really understand. This looks like a place where baddies would live. Really. Get out. When you open a door in this game, I feel that you only see a dog. Yeah, the dog just went out of the door. You know, that would be very insane if it could pass through doors. Are you sure we can just... Yeah, we're not even supposed to use that. There we go. Passing through and this potion. There. Heat. Yeet. Before we really were touching the potions, but not now. Oh God. I knew I would do a little bit of mistakes. But we got +9 lives before. When I think we already found out what happens if we got more than 9 lives. I think we already found out that it is +9. Oh God, I'm an idiot. Okay. So gotta go where I'm supposed to be. Jumping on platforms, go to the left now. Like a pattern. Left, right, kill an enemy. Didn't even need to use that platform. You know, the platforms sometimes are really tricks, like you can just yourself jump over all of this stuff. Shoot the mouse. I'm not... Go. Oh, that was close. I was like thinking, what should we like go to the right, jump pretty quickly, but no, just walk. Up, up. Hello, owl. Just roll to the key. Down. We see another mouse. What the hell? De-escalates. Actually, I'm very famous with them. I know them very much, but we got another key. I don't care about these escalators. And there's another key! And I bet there's going to be another key. I'm not sure if there's going to be another key. I knew it. Just jump. I think I'm an idiot. No, I'm not an idiot. I'm a smarty boy. And there's another key. Oh God. No! No shit. This keeps on frustrating me. I don't understand why, because I'm doing the mistakes myself. I'm just bruh. Dude! Should I go max power? I don't know. Here you must go max power. Or you'll just oof. Well, not oof, I don't really remember anymore what's down there.
No.
What are you? What the hell? What do you mean? No, this is too cringe. Cringy.
Now will work.
No.
It doesn't work.
What the hell?
Oh my goodness.
No, sheesh.
Try again.
Boom.
Now you will do it right.
I think you must stand on the very edge. I'm not sure. Let's try it again. Tactic.
No, maybe more right. You need to jump more to the right.
I think you must go max power. But I'm continuing. I don't know.
Try.
I'm not sure.
It's a little bit annoying, this part.
I just gotta do it.
Ah.
I don't know.
No, it will work now. Don't worry. Try again.
Try again, and then if I don't do it, I quit. Well,
No.
not really quit. I'll be just mad.
Yeah.
I was like, what the hell just happened? Who hit me in the head? Oh, just Mr. Crow. No, you don't need full power. You'll literally just. I think the octopus is already dead because octopuses can't be in.
No, but you are using
land.
a wall. You are using a wall. They don't really die.
Well, yeah.
You are using a wall.
I saw on TikTok stuff like they are very run, and they are like, "Hey, I'm chilling. I'm also a human. I'm chilling on the. I'm not chilling on the sand, doing some paddings and playing." I saw that. Like they're literally swiftying on the floor and also in bottles. I'm not sure if the bottle one is real, but I don't care about that. I care about Mr. Kitty Cat. Mr. Kitty on the right. Let's give him a real name, not Mr. Kitty. Mr. Or maybe Mrs. Judy. I'm really copying the names from Paddington, but I don't care. But I don't care, because we got a cat to save. Yeah. I think the staircase is giving me something of a clue. But I'm not sure what the hell is the clue. Just gotta kill them. So they don't distract me and take more health away. Yeah, if only I didn't remember that the thing that the spikes are on the top. That would be very oofing. Yeet. Oh sheesh, I got so much damage there. Spider plus owl plus Max level anger. Sheesh. Hope you didn't have that in real life. Like literally millions. I'm not sure why I take the boost score, but I also remember the thing that it gives you full energy. So that's good. There's another key in it. Alright. We already saved 2 kitties. I'm very sure the thing that we are going to complete this game. But what I just saw is the thing that I'm not going to complete this game, which is fine. Alright?
Okay, I keep playing. Okay, we saved. Danny just saved 2 kitten. We have another 4 left. So let's see how it goes. We still have 7 lives. This level is so long. I think Danny got fed up of it already. We still have another 2/3 of the game to complete. Very little energy left. Let's see how it goes. Here it was where Danny couldn't jump. So where we should go? Yeah, as I remember, there is another kitten on the left and one on the bottom as well, so we can go any direction, both direction, left and bottom. I think left, this part is a little bit easier. Let's see. There is an ice cream, give us a little bit of energy. Oh, everybody wants to beat us. Little bit of energy. Okay. This part is a little bit trickier. So, oh, there's this Donkey Kong. Take the key. Be careful, there is a spike. There is a spike somewhere. Yeah, there is a spike. There is a balloon there. Take the balloon. Wait for the spike. Yeah, this game, you need to be very cautious. Oh, no, actually, we need to catch these cigarettes. Unfortunately, we need to give up a little bit of energy because, unfortunately, because the spy, we still lost a life. They put a cigarette because if you jump on the cigarette, then you jump on the spike. So unfortunately, you need to cannot avoid the cigarettes. We still lost a life, fortunately. So that's why they added the cigarette to let you to make the game more difficult than what it is. This game is really difficult. But let's see if we can complete it. Now we are doing all this, I think, just to get a key. I think there is just a key. There is a key here. I left the energy for when I come back. See, just we get the energy, and we get the energy when we come back. Well, we got a key. Now we have 3 keys. I'm gonna get the energy, but there is an unfriendly frog here. Yeah. That energy give us full energy. So it's a shame that we lost a life with the cigarettes. Otherwise, we would have had 7 lives. But I hope 6 lives, they will be enough to complete the game. So let's see. Now, here there is a spike, so I'm waiting for the spike. See, there is a spike. Yeah, we need to get the other key. There is another key there. So we're gonna have 4 keys. And there is a door. You see a door down. There is a door Ah, goodness, we are losing. Well, let's take the cake. Okay, more energy. We have some energy now. Okay, there is a door here on the right. See? Here, it's a little bit tricky because you need to keep jumping up, 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 and then right, go right, and then up, 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 up. Wait until that spike disappears, and then jump. Then open the door. Yeah, this part, it's there is a kitten here somewhere. So let's see. Yeah, that is the fantasy, ghost. This ghost is gonna stop everything. Let's see if we are lucky. I see there everybody's stopped now. So let's go to catch the extra life. So there is an extra life here on the right. Let's take it. Take the extra life quickly, quickly, before the ghost effect disappears. Now we need to do. There is the kitten on the here. Everything. Ah, no, sorry. There is no kitten here. There is a key because the kitten is on the left. Sorry, it's on the left. But the ghost effect is disappearing. Okay. Yeah, now it's a little bit tricky because we need to wait. Yeah, for the spike to disappear. Here, I think there should be a key actually. Let's see if there is a key or. There is also some energy, which is good. Let's see if in this game, if you know the routes, if you know where to go, every now and then there is energy as well. Energy. Oh, we are losing oxygen. Be fast, fast, fast. Let's be quick. Let's be quick. Let's be quick, otherwise we're gonna lose a life. Go up, 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 up. Up. Okay, done. Done, done, done. Done. Okay, we didn't lose a life. Here, there is a kitten. There is a kitten here. And here you go. We're gonna get it. This part is not that difficult, dramatically difficult. Yeah. Whoa, careful, there is a spike. There is a spike. Let's wait for the spike. Jump now. Jump. Okay, now the fun comes. This part is very difficult to go back. It's difficult to go back. Let's see. See, it's not that easy. So let's see if I remember how you get out of here. Ah, good, good, good. That was not bad. Here, I think there is a spike. There is a spike. Yeah, there is a spike. I knew. I forgot about it. I was not sure. Okay. Okay, let's go. No, there's a spike. Oops. Okay, lucky. That was luck. I don't need to rush. In this game, if you rush, you just lose a life. It's okay, we still have 6 lives. We lost 1 life, but we gained 1, we lost 1. It's okay, we just saved the key. We have 6 life left with 3 kitten to save, so it's okay, should be fine. Here, you remember, keep jumping up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 then left. Then up, 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 up. Actually, there is no spike here. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Okay. Okay. You see here on the left, there is a door. We have a key. We have 3 keys, so we can go. Here, there is another kitten to save. So, and 2 keys. You see, we spent 1 key, but we got 2 keys, which is fine. Fair enough. Fair enough. Now, we have 3 kittens to save. Oh, there is a chicken there. Gives us full energy. Then, here, see the spike on the bottom right? I think there is a kitten there in this door. Here, wait for the spike. And here there is a kitten to rescue. Go, 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 go before the spike appears. Yeah, here there is a kitten. There is a kitten to rescue. I remember there is a kitten to rescue. So let's jump. Yeah, this game is not that bad. It's once you know how to play it, it's doable. I don't think it's impossible. As you can see, this is the non. I tried 3-4 times, but you don't need many attempts. It's very easy to memorize. It's a long labyrinth, but it's fair enough. I mean, it's. I just lost a life because I'm rushing, so I'm talking and I'm rushing, so just need a little bit of concentration. But sorry, just lost a life. Keep playing for me. Keep playing.
So here you must look.
Sorry. Just
Fine.
Just take your time. Take your time. Play.
Fine.
Play.
Okay, I get it. I got it. Okay, concentrate. No. Now. Yes. I've done it. Dude.
Take your time. Don't rush.
Dude, this is very hard. I feel we can only have 4 lives. Literally like.
Take that extra life. You
half.
got 5 lives now.
Only if that wall didn't exist, we would just blast and get that key. I bet it's going to be on the right. Yes, let's go and get that key. Say hello, little Mr. Tophead Devil that literally walked on spikes. What the hell just happened there? I knew there were spikes. Why do they need all this radiation in a house? Even if this is a house, but I think this is a laboratory. Don't relax. How am I supposed to jump out here? Max power. That was close. Is there another pathway? Okay, I think we need to go up. Am I right? Oh, there's spikes. No, there's spikes. There's the kitty.
Yay!
We just gotta find no kitty to save. Dude. Not Final Kitty. What do you mean? Final Kitty. Not max power. Yes, not max power. Do you need max power? Oh. Right. But there's spikes, I think. Yes, I knew it. Because this is the place where we've already been. And I really like the thing that the monkey's very fancy. I love it so much. Hello, Mr. Cricket, Yellow Cricket, and Green Cricket. Do those crickets even have noses? Because if they don't, how do they even sniff? If crickets really don't have noses, I'm like, sorry for them. Look at that devil when he's so sad when you kill him. That makes me feel so good. Because indeed in real life he's very bad. In the game as well. But I like the way he dances, like cha-cha-cha. Okay, now I think we just gotta lost 2 cats. And we can rest. You and us. Only if you are still gonna watch another video of ours. That was going to be pretty good. But if you're gonna rest, that's also fine. Because we also want to rest. And if you're not subscribed...
Be careful, there is a spike there. Quick. Yeah.
And also, I forgot to say. I'm so sorry. I forgot to say. At the beginning. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Go subscribe. Go. Do that. Support us. Come on. And also, that'll be pretty cool. Because I want to literally have like, let's go with 150,000 likes on this video, and then We are going to do another one. Yeah. Yeah, we're starting the thing. We're starting it. Yeah. So, ow! Jesus.
There is energy on the left.
I saw this.
Take energy
I
on the
saw
left.
this place. I know it.
Yeah, but take the milk. Ah, yeah, the milk. Ah, how many lives? 4 lives left. Very unlucky. This game likes to make things
Rubber
difficult.
ducky.
Very unlucky.
Rubber ducky.
This is the beginning. Do you remember? You were here already.
Yeah.
This is the beginning.
What am I doing in the beginning?
This is the beginning. Now you need to go up. No, right. Sorry, right. To the right. There is a door here. See?
I knew it.
Go through this door.
I knew I need to go here.
The last 2 kittens are here. Through this door.
Okay, let's go. I need this cupcake.
You like cakes?
Cupcake is my love. Just gotta get that key.
You remember yesterday, Paddington, he made a pancake using putting a cupcake in the pan, and he made a pancake.
That's a very good joke.
This is the
He's
way.
so stupid.
Oh, take the chicken.
Chicken wing.
Give us all
Chicken
energy.
wing.
You're ready.
I need to take the chicken wing.
Do you
I
remember
took the
the last kitten is on the right?
Yeah. I took the chicken wing. I took the chicken wing.
Oh, mamma mia! What a long spike! You need to be very fast. Fast.
I hope the chicken wing gave me a lot of health.
Okay, now
The chicken wing.
you need to go first to the left to catch the kitten. There is a kitten on the left.
On the left.
Use these platforms.
And on the right.
And then you go to the right. First you need to go to the left.
Yeah.
Left first.
Yeah. There
Do you remember? There are spikes all the way.
There goes Sophia the fox.
You don't take the cat food. You don't like cat food. That's viscous.
Cat was not a very...
See, auto. That's food for viscous. Oh no! Careful! There is a spike!
Kata.
Oh.
I like the thing that they call it Kato.
Cat food.
I love it.
You should learn how to feed our cat. Do you give him food?
Yes.
Every now and then. The cat, they like viscous and they like any...
What if they love Peter or what on earth is that one? Like Peter or something like...
He also works as long as his food...
Oh, sheesh.
The brand of that one was called
Oh,
Auto.
sheesh. The mouse literally fell on
The doctor is watching at you. Look at the doctor, the canvas with the doctor. The frame.
The mouse fell. We were so close to dying and the mouse fell on the spikes.
Yeah,
with
we need
its
to
head.
cut. We need to meet this
With
doctor.
its head. With its head. And I think if this game really has a final boss, I think it's going to be that professor.
That professor is very wicked.
Professor Big Glass.
That's the final boss, probably, definitely.
Professor Big Glass.
We are coming, Professor.
Professor Big Glass, you're going to be
Wait
pooped.
for us. We are coming.
You're going to be roasted like a chicken wing. Like a chicken wing.
We are gonna punish the professor.
We are going to roast him like a chicken wing.
He's gonna
Gonna jump.
He's gonna get a punishment from
Hello,
us.
Mr. Jonathan.
Only one kitten left.
And which name should we name the kitten?
No, it's called Bob.
No, the other kitten.
The other kitten.
The last kitten.
How you wanna call it? The last one is the most difficult. Are you gonna?
And the most difficult to get.
Are you ready for the last challenge?
In the movie, he was very, 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 very silly and funny.
Oh, there is a gift. You like gift? Look.
I hope it's not like
Burlone, the poof in the Smurfs. Do you remember Explode?
Yeah, it explodes.
He explodes. There is an explosion in it.
I'm not sure.
Let's see if it's a... why you don't take it? Are you sure there is an explosion in it? Are you scared of the joke?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Maybe there is a
What if it
bomb
kills
in it.
you? What if it kills you in one hit? Are you crazy, man?
Did you watch Smurf yesterday?
No.
Burlone in italiano. In Italian. Buffo burlone.
Stop it.
Sorry. Concentrate now. Focus.
Stop distracting me.
Sorry. You have only 4 lives, yeah? Can you do it?
Oh.
Show everyone how to do it.
Sorry. What are you doing?
Professor.
So
there is the professor.
Professor Big Glass.
Are we coming? Professor.
Big Glass. You big ugly brain dude.
We are coming, Professor.
I'm not sure we're supposed to say that. No, I don't know.
You have so many keys now.
I don't even need it. I can lock my whole entire house.
I think with this key you can do a lot.
I would still have leftover keys if I would lock my whole house. Lock my bike, lock the window.
Do you have enough key to get this extra life?
Lock the windows. Lock the windows. Lock the balcony. Lock the door. And I'll still have one left over.
Keys are important.
I'll still have a lot of leftovers from these.
Take the life. There is a life
from
here. Use this key for this life. You have to spend 2 keys for but you need this extra life. You need it. There is an extra life here. Take it.
You know, I don't really like the thing that the kid has a weird face.
Careful, there is a spike. I
know, behind this ladder.
Yeah.
The ladder's
At least they made the graphic to help you to remember the spikes. Spikes usually are near a ladder or near some graphic. Where there is a graphic, there is no spike. See, near the bin there is a spike, but in the bin there is no spike. They don't put spike near the graphics object. See?
Like, they're not gonna usually put the spike underneath, like, nothing.
Yeah, usually the spike is where there is no object.
Hello, I need to take
Oh, there is a bottle of milk.
I'm not a baby.
But the cat likes milk.
No.
Oh, they put the milk near the spike. You see, that's a trap. Look.
Kitties are going to waste 1,000,000 quadrillion years drinking that milk. They'll definitely.
So you just went there for a milk, for a bottle of milk. Yeah, that's right.
But I drank it in 1
the cat is on the right. The last.
Let's call the little cat.
The last kitten is here on the right.
I'm not sure what should we call it.
This is the most difficult part of the game. Don't be frustrated. It's difficult, but not impossible. I support you.
Come on. Okay, I've done it.
Please do it. I don't know how to do it. You do it for me, please.
Okay.
Come on. You do it. You do it. Focus. Please, you do it. Please be quick.
Come on.
Yay! You did it.
Come on,
You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it.
Go. Go,
You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it. You did it.
I did not do it.
No, just easy. Now go to the left. Now jump, maximum jump. Now, maximum jump. You did it. You did it. See, right, quickly.
Shit.
Yeah, you did it.
Pure
luck. You had a little bit of luck.
I'm not understanding.
Yeah, now we are gonna free the kitten and meet the
And let's call him...
last kitten.
No! Let's call him one of the first characters in the movie. I know which movie. I'm not telling you. You'll find out. I'm really gonna call the name of the movie. I'm gonna be honest. Come on, little kitty.
Little kitty.
No.
How you're gonna call him?
Come on, little kitty.
Oh, you like crisps?
For now, you know, I'm not sure cats really love eating crisps. But if they do, very
Fair
important,
enough.
very important fact, if they do eat crisps.
Okay, where is the last
Because
kitten?
you can, if you have rotten crisps, you can't just waste them. You can give them to the cat.
Where is the kitten?
But there's
this is very difficult, yeah? This is very difficult.
I'm not sure where.
It's above this hole.
Come on. If only there is no disappearing blocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, good.
Sheesh.
Good.
Go.
No. Okay, try again.
No, I'm dead.
You need to jump on that platform.
You don't pay attention to the bats. I'm sure this is how you do it.
Yeah, this bat is very annoying.
Oh, there we go. Yeah.
Last kitten! How do you call it?
How am I supposed to call that dude? Come on.
How you call it? Freedom!
Hello, Mr. Paddington.
Paddington! Paddington cat.
Paddington cat doesn't really rhyme from the song, but I don't care. I completed the game. I completed the game.
Are you gonna punish the professor now?
You know, actually, we all just school.
Are you gonna beat the professor with a ball?
We already bit our school. I'm happy. I'm happy.
No,
what
let's see.
What does fappy mean?
Professor, are we coming?
Hello, Mr. Professor.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Stupid, ugly glass. You.
Professor, we are
I'm
coming.
mad at you. I'm mad at you. You locked on my kitty cats. You are an idiot.
No, it's his girlfriend.
I don't.
He just locked his girlfriend, but now we are going to get the girlfriend back.
Which girlfriend?
The girlfriend of Bob. Bob has got a girlfriend. Let's
Don't
see.
you dare say that again.
The professor kidnapped his girlfriend. So now you're gonna rescue her and beat the professor. But be careful, the professor has got a gun. The professor has got a gun. The professor has got a gun.
Yeah, I know.
And what are you gonna do against the professor? Are you gonna beat the professor? How you do it?
He's got a girlfriend.
Yay! And he has got a driving license. He has got a driving license. Yeah. Yay! Be careful to the spy, Daniel. Careful. Why are take that key. Take the key. We need a key. We don't have any key now. Oh, we don't have any key. Take that key because it's important. To go to the professor, you need that key. Without key, you cannot go to him.
Yeesh.
Please catch the key, take that key, and go to the professor.
I do not even know where is the professor.
No, first you need
but
to
all I know is his name, which is Mr. Stupid Glass.
Be careful, there is a spike below. Careful.
I don't care.
You don't care about spikes.
I just want to free my girlfriend.
And go to free her. Come on, quick. Now you got the key.
There's no timers in this game, so what the...
Don't rush. You have 2 lives left.
How am I supposed to kill the boss?
The boss.
Because that would be very good if they give you like 9 lives at the end.
No worry, you have 2 lives are enough to beat the professor. Don't distract.
Do you like kill the professor like all of these spiders, like pew?
You're gonna do it, don't worry.
Pew.
Beating the professor is very easy.
Don't spoil it for me, you.
Don't rush. Otherwise we spoil the game now. Eccolo qua il professore, no? On the right. The professor will be here on the right. These are the last few screens. On the right. Here it is.
There we go.
Here you go.
Berry. That's
No, bear. No, cat, Hugo, not bear. It's not a bear. His name is Bob. It's not Paddington.
Bob Hugo.
Bob Hugo.
What about the girlfriend's name?
To be honest, I don't know her name. It's there. Now we are gonna discover it. Discover what is her
Let's
name.
find out her name.
Let's find out her name.
And let's call her Shibio Dumpling.
No, she's pretty. She's very pretty.
Let's call her Shibio Dumpling.
No. His girlfriend. She's really, really cute. Very, very
Let's
pretty.
call her
Pretty cat.
Silly Old Dumpling.
No, you can call her pretty cat. Na 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 na.
No,
pretty cat.
Silly Old Dumpling.
Pretty catty, pretty cat, na na, pretty cat.
I want to call her Silly Old Dumpling.
No, it's a pretty cat. She's very pretty.
I want her to be Silly Old Dumpling.
She's not silly and dumpling. Come on, you have only 2 lives. Quick.
No jokes.
No jokes.
No folks, no jokes.
Focus on the game now.
No jokes, no folks.
Are you ready to meet the professor?
No folks, no jokes. No jokes, no folks.
Come
no
on,
folks,
come
no
on.
jokes.
Beat the game.
Get out here.
Beat the game.
Get out here.
You cannot smoke. You're only 7 years old. You cannot smoke.
Don't you dare spoil my reel.
Professore! Careful. Beat the professor now. Beat the professor.
Don't you dare spoil my reel.
Eccolo là il professore. Here he is. Professor, be careful. He's gonna shoot you now. Yeah, move the joint. Put the finger. Yeah, you destroyed him. You free your girlfriend. Look at the plate. Bob won. Ooh, he drives the car. He's kissing his girlfriend. He's kissing his girlfriend. Na 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 na. Now you beat the game. The end.
The end is completed. Been accomplished. And unfortunately, my cat does not have such a story.
Unbelievable. Put your name. Your name is Danny? Daniel. You beat me. Pasquale, I was 322. How come you beat me now?
Thank you for watching. Don't forget, as I said, 150,000 for a new video. Bye bye.